Did Google just take away one of the Pixel features you probably loved the most? With the launch of the Pixel 10, Google has introduced support for the new Chat to wireless charging standard. But here's the catch: this update comes at the cost of losing battery share, also known as reverse wireless charging. Let's break down what that really means for you. Google's Pixel phones have always been about adding smart little features that make life easier. Back in 2020, when the Pixel 5 came out, Google introduced battery share. With just a quick toggle, you could flip your phone and turn it into a wireless charger. That meant you could top up another phone, or give your earbuds or smartwatch some extra power. It wasn't the fastest charging in the world, but it was one of those features that came in handy when you least expected it. Over the years, the feature evolved a little. On older models, battery share even kicked in automatically if your Pixel was plugged into a charger. But things started to change with the Pixel 9 when Google quietly removed the automatic option. Now, with the Pixel 10, the company has taken it a step further and removed battery share completely. So why did Google do this? According to the company, the change has everything to do with Chat to wireless charging. The Pixel 10 now has built-in magnets, which work in a similar way to Apple's MagSafe technology. These magnets help your phone snap securely onto compatible chargers, keeping the connection stable and efficient. But here's the problem: those magnets take up physical space inside the device. That space makes it harder to support reverse wireless charging. In simple terms, you can now attach your Pixel 10 to chargers more easily, but you can no longer use your Pixel as a charger itself. If you're wondering, Apple iPhones don't support reverse wireless charging either, so this isn't something exclusive to Google, and yet, it's still a loss for Pixel users who enjoyed having that option. There's another detail worth noting. The Pixel 10 seems to be running on Chat version 2.1.1, which is the newer standard. The only other Android phone right now with Chat to support is the HMD Skyline, and that device does allow reverse wireless charging, but only at 5-watt speed. The difference is that the Skyline uses Chat version 2.0.0, which may not have the same limitations. That could explain why Google had to make this trade-off with the newer version of Chat. Now, does this mean battery share is gone forever? Not necessarily. Google has already said that it's always looking at new ways to improve the Pixel experience. That could mean, at some point in the future, we might see a combination of Chat to magnetic charging and reverse wireless charging working together. Apple is also rumored to be working on reverse wireless charging for future iPhones, but don't expect it to show up with the iPhone 17 later this year. For now, if you pick up a Pixel 10, you'll get faster and more reliable wireless charging thanks to Chat 2, but you'll lose the ability to charge your accessories on the back of your phone. Whether that's a fair trade-off really depends on how much you used battery share in the first place. So, what do you think? Would you rather have the convenience of Chat to magnets, or do you miss the usefulness of reverse wireless charging? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech.